In this video, I'll show you how to pay contactless with the Revolut app. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips. You can also sign up for a free Revolut account by using the affiliate link in the description below. Paying contactless with Revolut is fast, secure, and convenient, allowing you to make transactions without entering your PIN or swiping your card. It also offers enhanced control over your spending with instant notifications. To enable the contactless payment option on the Revolut app, start by opening the app on your mobile device. On the homepage, tap the card icon in the top left corner to navigate to the Cards page. From there, select the Standard option, which will take you to the Settings page for your card. Scroll down a little and look for the Contactless Payments option. Toggle this option on to enable it. Once you've done that, you can return to the home page. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled the contactless payment feature on the Revolut app. Now, you can easily send payments through your contact list without needing to manually enter payment details each time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and helpful tips. You can also sign up for a free Revolut account using my affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching.